All right, tech tip number 5 on the 21 things that you need to know before hiring a managed service provider. Tech tip number 5 is really crucial in the fact of proactivity. And what that really means is, does your company, your current provider, or be sure the provider that you're looking for, do they offer proactive solutions? I just got through shooting a public service announcement video talking about the end of life of Microsoft Windows 7 Professional and Server 2008 Revision 2. Now this won't happen until January of 2020. And of course, we're sitting here in July of 2018, and you wonder, well, wow, you sure are ahead of the curve. But I tell you, it takes time. That proactivity, whenever 40% of my clients are on these products, it's very important to let them know early. And that's what you're looking for in a provider. Are they proactively trying to help you and make your network better? Are they putting things on the radar that are going to basically impact your budget, your finances, impact the productivity of your office? Are they waiting for it basically to break and then running out and and fixing it? Because really, that break fix world, that fireman IT mentality, is extremely costly, honestly, to the IT provider, but primarily to the client themselves. If you have more questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to help and discuss this with you. And again, thank you for watching.